So this is outside of our apartment complex. And this is a car. I don't know if you can see, but it's completely pretty much covered. I said it was, hold on. What'd you say? I don't think so. So he's asking if it's going to plow us out, if it's not happening. This is it. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, Chad said this was not a car, it was just snow plowed up, but there's a car underneath there somewhere. We were smart enough to put our windshield wipers up and park where the wind kind of took some snow off, so that's good. But you could see it's a little crazy. It's a little white, and it's still snowing, so yeah, fun stuff.